Welcome back, everybody. We're in the Pines up in Prescott today. Beautiful mid-century modern square box, but still pretty cool. Built in 1960. Got a nice multi-level deck off the back. Something that is no longer an acceptable practice when building decks or anything else is bolting the post through the side of the beam, because it is the bolts that are supporting the weight, not a post on top of a beam. Get some light on this. It's not a beam on top of a post. It is drilled through, and what happens is your beams will start to crack, things will start to sag, and we have this entire house is built in this method. And those beams there have horizontal cracks in them. They're sagging. This is also completely rotten. And that post bolted through the rotted beam is holding up the roof up there. Yikes. We have it there. Let's go downstairs. We have it there. Watch out for the rotten broken step. Seen better days. You do it here, and that post is actually pushing through. Whoa. Rocky hillside. And this one here would pop through the decking, but we do have another post on top. And all of this is bolted to that beam, which is bolted to that post. Actually, that post was put in afterwards, so that's not even bolted anymore. And this is carrying load all the way up to there. So, it's time for a new deck. Probably some engineering involved too. And some serious scaffolding to get up there on a rocky hillside. That's just on the outside. I'm sure I'll find more inside and get back to you. Have a great day, everybody. And don't forget to call the Wright inspector for your next home inspection in the Prescott and Sedona area.